this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and welcome to Mask Monday. This Monday I am doing Thirsty Hands. I'm doing a hand mask by Nails Inc. It says. This is for super hydrating hand mask for dry, tired skin, which I got some really tired skin. This is made in Korea, it says. I don't know if you can see that, but it's made in Korea. And it's also made by Fabergé. I'm not sure if I got this at the Dollar Tree or Walmart, one of the two. So it was Walmart, it was $3. Dollar Tree, $1.33 out the door. Super hydrating hand mask. Put your palms in the air if you have. Yes, it's put your palms in the air if you have tired, dry hands. Formulated with the blend of plant extract, shea butter, and vitamin E. So, 15 to 20 minutes, apply to clean, dry hands, remove and unfold the gloves from the foil packing. Slip them on your hands and fasten around the wrist. Sit back and relax. Scroll your phone while you wait. Remove the gloves and gently pat in the excess essence. Folks, we have got essence in a pouch. So, we're going to try these. We are going to give them a whirl, 15-20 minutes. Oh, I got a text message. Let's see who that's from real quick. Oh, I already knew that. So here it is. Here are the gloves. They are oh so cute. I am loving the pattern. These are going to fit any hand. Maybe too big for some. Oh my God, look at this. And I got big hands. I got big hands for a woman. I guess you gotta separate. Oh, holy cow, Batman. I guess that's one way to keep the essence in the glove. Oh, they smell so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, they smell so good. Oh. Oh yeah. I'm gonna rub these in on the cuticles. Hope I'm in frame. So, and you somehow peel and stick. Oh lordy, I need help. I don't know where it peels from. Let's look at this one. I think it peels here. I don't know. We may not get them to stick, but we're going to play with them for 20 minutes. I think I'm going to give them a good 20 because my hands are very dry. I've been told this by a professional nail tech once before, a couple of years ago, that, oh, your fingers are so dry. Use cuticle oil 3 times a day. So I am going to either rub these in. So here we are, 15-20 minutes, and we will return. Okay, we should be back now. I can't do my phone. I have to use the stylus. So we are back in filming. I've had these on probably extra long. I was filming through Instagram and doing my thing on there. So we're going to take these gloves off. I'm really dry right here. So we're going to take these off. Turn that down. Ooh, these are juicy. What did it say to do? Gently pat. Gently pat. I'm going to rub right here. I'm going to rub a little bit up my arms, my wrists. Pat, pat, pat. I like the way they feel. I want to rub though. I don't want to pat. I'm sorry. I want to rub in the essence. Rub, rub, rub. Get your cuticles real well. Now what I'll be doing after this, excuse me, piggy. After this, what I will be doing is my nails. I put on, I don't know if I can grab it with my moistured hands. These two products by Nail Aid Keratin 3-Day Growth and Biotin Ultimate Strength. This works so well. So well. But I put those on. Then my base coat. I'm still rubbing in the essence. Still rubbing in the essence. I think it feels so good. There's definitely that essence left on it. And it's super hydrating, it says. Hand mask. I really like these. Give these a 2 thumbs up. My hands feel really good. Looks like I got really dirty nails now. I didn't before, but whatever. So I'm just going to keep rubbing this in. Once everything is dry, which it feels like it's going to be a while, I will apply those. And I might try my Madam Glam Peel Off Base Coat. I'm really excited about this. Really excited about this. If you've tried this Madam Glam Peel Off Base Coat, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your findings on it. This brand specifically is what I'm asking because this is the brand I have in my pots. I know people have tried other brands, but I don't have those to compare it to. So yeah. So that's gonna be my next chore. I'll be doing that video probably, I don't know, in the next 2 weeks. Put that on, put some gel on my nails, and I have to go through all my gels and see which one really tickles my fancy. Damn. So, if you go to Walmart, Dollar Tree, check out this Thirsty Hands nail mask. I did give it a 2 thumbs up. I really enjoyed it. It feels so good on my hands. It's something that's got to soak in, though. It's not just rub it in and there you go. It's going to have to soak. So on that note, we're going to go and let it soak. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.